Welcome to Shopware tutorial. In this video, we learn how to generate variants and edit variants. Copy the order number. Log into the backend. Go to Catalogs and Products. Now go to search bar and paste the order number. Now go to your product and click on Edit. Now go to Variant Generator. Click on Start Variant Generator. Now search the color property. Select the color property and then click on Generate Variants. Now click on Generate Variants. Now search the color property. Click on Generate Variants. Again, click on Generate Variants. Now click on Size. Then click on Generate Variants. Now go to Site and refresh the page to see the changes. Again, click on Generate Variants. Click on Color. Select your color. Then click on Generate Variants. Now go to Site and refresh the page to see the changes. Again, click on Generate Variants. Click on Color. Select your color. Click on Size. Select your size. Then click on Generate Variants. Now go to Site and refresh the page to see the changes. Thanks for watching. For more updates and Shopware video tutorials, please subscribe to our channel and also do not forget to press the bell icon, so that you never miss our upcoming videos.